Hey you guys, let's unbox some squishies. Okay you guys, in here we have two things. We have one dumpling and one mystery Neato. One is for Ross and one is for me. Obviously we both have one of these. So, let's pull. You guys, the Neato extra large ripples. Oh my gosh, let's unbox these.
Yeah, we got these today.
And we also got the shark mystery dumplings. So I'm just hoping for the rare. Honestly, these feel so good and I love them. Ross has the wavy guys, look. So, like, here Ross, can we open it?
Yeah, you.
Ross is opening his dumpling. Ross, show them.
What is the rare again?
The rare is like the shark dumpling.
Oh, no.
Oh my gosh, you guys. That's actually so good. I know, but I'm showing you more. Look at the wave texture. That's actually so good. Let's unbox mine because mine has little swirls.
Okay, mine almost came open now.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. He got orange. Ross, it says Armas, the original squishy dumpling on the shark ones. That's actually real cool. Guys, let's open my Neato Ripple. Yeah. Oh my god.
Smell it.
Oh, it kind of stinks.
It smells good.
Oh my gosh, look. It has...
That one smells better.
Yeah, this one does smell good. The pink. Where does it say Neato? Oh yeah, it says Neato right here. I don't know if y'all can really see it. But... Alright you guys, last thing I'm going to open my dumpling. So, like this video if you think I'm going to get the rare. And subscribe. Ooh, this thing is taped.
Good. Taped good.
Wait, hold on. It's actually...
You need help? I got it.
No, I got it. You guys, RMS. Okay. Wait, guys. First, pause the video and like this video. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Yellow!
But can we trade?
Guys,
That's my favorite color.
I love the yellow.
Yellow is my favorite color. Can we trade?
No, because I don't have a yellow yet, and I love it.
I don't either.
Okay, guys,
Well, you don't have an orange yet.
like and subscribe if you liked this video.